This is a Holden Rodeo, an LS model. So the difference is, if your Rodeo doesn't look like this, the radio goes right across the whole front panel. You've got the LS model, and I assume you'd know by now because you've got the badges on the doors. So what you do is you carefully pull it out. Sorry about the camera, I'm just trying to look. Hopefully it just pops out. It's not supposed to pop out that much. Just this front panel is supposed to come out, not the whole lot. You don't need the whole lot to come out. If I was using two hands to do this, I could probably hold that in there and do this, which I'm going to have to do, I think. Scratch that idea. The whole lot has to come out. So I always take the ashtray out. Don't know why. Just saves things falling out. You want to take that maybe out of park too, and just work your way unclipping. But this whole front panel just unclips, and the radio is actually bolted in behind it. So it's coming out. Oh, it's just clipped in, that's all. I've used two hands just now to unclip it. I had to sort of pull it all up a bit and undo that. So we need to unscrew. You can see how they've got screws coming through from the back, so the radio actually needs to come out from that way. So this whole section has to come out. So we're going to, now the heater controls are a bit tricky. You've got screw here, so you got to take this heater control out. So there's a screw here, and on the other side there's a screw in this one. So there's no screw up here. That's just the opposite. So on the other side the screw's on the top, not the bottom. If you can't get a screwdriver in here, that's okay. You'll just have to do it with the whole lot in there and unscrew that and that. You just need a really, really small screwdriver. So what I'm going to attempt to do is show you everything while I'm filming here. So it means doing it one-handed. So unplug the hazard switch. This clock just pops out, if you can get it out. It's just got a clip either side to push out. I know it's terrible camera work. If you've got a 4-wheel drive 4x4 switch, it's just like a mirror image of the clock side. Oh, this is almost impossible, but anyway, I'm going to do it one-handed. It's going to focus. Hooray, it does. So I've got the clock out. I had to use two hands. The little pocket there can stay in there because it's got no wire on it. So I'm going to get a screwdriver and undo these now. So I'm going to use this to get in there. And I can turn that. I'm going to use two hands again, and that'll come out, and there's the same on the other side. Alright, so the heater controls are out, so make sure they just stay in there. I'm going to unplug the radio. I'm just going to push the tab in, and that'll come out. unplug that. That should come out. Where are you? Maybe I need to push it in a bit more. And then it's only held in by the cigarette lighter sockets. Unplug those. And there you have it. Radio is unplugged. So the cigarette lighter sockets are down there. Just unplug those and you can take the rest of it out.